my session at the Smart Transport Conference, we'll be discussing the whole gamut of things around active travel policy and how we can make sure that walking, cycling and other active modes is a natural choice for not just some journeys but for more and many more journeys. What works to change behaviour, what infrastructure we need, and how we can win the hearts and minds to get the space for that infrastructure. I mean, the conversation should be really, really interesting given the range of us on the panel. We've got Roslin's expertise on longer distance and recreational cycling, Paul's knowledge about micromobility and rental, Beata's exceptional experience in cyclogistics and integration across smart mobility. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm hopefully going to contribute a little myself.